Hello guys, so you can see this new website I've hosted. I have the domain on Google Host, and then I have the hosting on Q servers. And if you check right here, you can see that there is no XSL, so there you get this silly warning: your connection to this site is not secure. So this tutorial is to quickly show you how to install the LetsEncrypt XSL from your cPanel. So if I come back to my hosting account, so I'm just going to log into cPanel. Well, you can also log in to cPanel by just adding a /cPanel on your domain, but I'm just going to do that from the hosting account. So I will click on login to cPanel, and right here on cPanel you can scroll to find under security, I guess. So under security, yeah, you can now find the LetsEncrypt, or you can just search for LetsEncrypt XSL. So once you are here, so you want to issue this certificate to this domain. This is the only domain on this website, on this cPanel. So I'm going to issue certificate to this domain. So the main domain, and then the mail, and then the www part of the domain. So I'm just going to go ahead and issue this certificate by clicking on the issue, and then if you scroll down, so you're going to leave it to HTTPS, unless if you want to use the wildcard to install on every other subdomain or add-ons associated with this hosting account, then you probably want to use the DNS. So yeah, I'll just do the HTTP -01, right? So add cPanel subdomains. So I'm just gonna do this, and then once that is done, I'm gonna do issue. So the XSL certificate is now installed onto the domains. Go back to cPanel to confirm that. So you can see right here now, the padlock is now enabled. Before it was showing warning. If I just want to come over from here, so you can see that the padlock is now enabled, and if I click on it, you can see the connection is secure. So that is how to install LetsEncrypt from your cPanel. I hope this was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, comment, and then subscribe to my channel for more of a tutorial like this one. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.